Hi guys, okay, today we are going to be unboxing my Allure beauty box for the month of November. Let's just jump right into it. If you're unfamiliar, Allure beauty box is $15 a month and you get sample size to deluxe sample size, once in a while full size products. It's a little bit of everything. It is personally one of my favorite boxes, but as you know in the past I haven't always had the best experience. Let's just jump right into it. This is what it comes in. It does come with a outer plastic wrapped around it. However, I did take that off. You open it up and it's got a picture and a little pamphlet. It's going to tell you about all the products. I'm going to go over that in a minute. And we got some tissue paper. You open it up and this is what it looks like. I see some good stuff in here. The first thing I see is by Freeze 24/7 Anti-Aging Eye Serum. And it's 7 milliliters. So it's just an eye serum. We do tend to get a lot of skincare, but I'm not mad at it. I love getting skincare. It says Freeze 24/7 Anti-Aging Eye Serum. Retails, the full size is $117. Holy cow, that is insane. Oh my gosh. Okay, and the next thing we have is by Vichy, which I have heard of this brand before. I have tried a few things, but this is the Double Glow Peel Mask. Okay. Comes in a little box like this. I want to open this up. I love masks. I prefer like a sheet mask over a mask like this, but I love the packaging. It's in a glass jar. It doesn't really have a smell. Looks like that. It's like a pink gel. I'm excited to use that. I just got it on my nose. Let's see what it has to say in here. Okay, so you could have got the Double Glow Peel Mask or the Charcoal Mask, and I got the Double Glow Peel. It retails for $20, not a terrible price. And it says, this powerful gel provides a month's worth of peels, thanks to a combination of volcanic rock and alpha hydroxy acid. Once a week, I apply a thin layer to my entire face when my skin is dry and clean. After 5 minutes, I massage it into my face so the volcanic rock particles can get to work. The double exfoliation leaves no dead skin cells behind, but it does leave one heck of a glow. I'm excited about that. I love a good glowy mask. Let's move on to the next thing by Bliss, and it's that Incredi-Peel Spa Strength Glycolic Resisting Pads to smooth and brighten. I have some of these all over in my makeup or my drawer. I don't think I've ever used them yet. But they're just like a pad. You rub it on, like you wipe your face with it, and it gets all like the dead skin, and it pretty much like takes away that whole gunk and everything. I do love using these every, once a week or so. I'm not mad at this, and you get 5 in here, which is amazing. Let's see what it has to say. It says price is $19.99 for a box of 15, which is not bad. And these smooth and brighten, which you can't go wrong with. And the next thing, which I am pretty excited about, is by Curology. And I've heard a lot of good things from this brand. This is the Curology Clean Sweep Cleanser. This is the one, it says, this is a brand I have heard of. And it's that brand, like, you can go online and make your own, like, tell them your skincare needs and things, and they send you the products tailored to that. This says, ultra personal skincare for your skin-individual needs. Get a free custom formula plus the cleanser and moisturizer at Curology.com/allure. Tell us your skin goals and upload a few selfies. Your dermatologist provider will mix a prescription formula just for you. We'll deliver it to your door along with our cleanser and moisturizer. Okay, I will definitely check that out. I love the purple packaging though. Let's see. It just looks like this. Again, I love that packaging, and I will definitely give this a try. Let's see how much this retails for. $19.95 and up for a set that includes a cleanser, a custom treatment cream, and a moisturizer. Okay, not bad, not bad. And next, we have something by Tarte, and this is the Tarte High Performance Rainforest OC Color Splash Lipstick. This is a full-size Tarte lipstick. Oh my gosh. But that color is, a little bright. This is in Ocean Drive. Hopefully it's not as bright as it shows on the cardboard, but we will see. I've never tried this formula of Tarte lipsticks, but this is what the packaging looks like. I love that. It just says Tarte in gold lettering, and it's in Ocean Drive. Holy, yeah, that is a bright pink. Okay, Let's give it a swatch. Oh yeah, that is a bright pink. It's about, yeah, that's bright. Okay, I'm not sure how that's good for a, November box, but I will definitely wear it. I like that color. That is just totally bright. Okay, and last, let's see how much that lipstick retails for. $21. That is insane to get in a $15 box. And last but not least, I've actually used before. This is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I actually had this at one point, and then I lost it. I think when I went to Michigan and came back, I left it there or lost it in the process. This is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. It retails for $8, that I do know. And you get a lot. This is very comparable to the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. If I can get this open. This stuff, I love this stuff. It works great. That's what it looks like. It's just an actual putty. Doesn't have a smell or anything, and it doesn't clog your pores. It doesn't do any of that, and it really grips onto the makeup well. I love this stuff, and I'm very happy to have another one. Okay, so that is everything I got in my Allure beauty box. Let me know what you guys think down below. I love to hear your thoughts and opinions. Do you guys think this box is worth $15 a month? Let me know. I love to hear your thoughts and opinions. That is all. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to subscribe down below. I post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 3 times a week. And if 3 times a week is not enough for you and you want to see more of my lovely face, you can follow me on all my social media. I'm on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and Twitter. That is all. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye.